Finally, we are going to start to talk about anger. Anger is way more than a symbolic execution engine. It's a whole binary analysis framework written in Python by an unselfish team and a lot of other people that are contributors. It offers great APIs and it has Vex, the Valgrind intermediated language behind it. It also uses Z3 that we already know, and Z3 is responsible for most of the reasoning that Anger is doing. And Anger is a very complex tool, but it is still one of the most easier, the most easy to use. And that's why most of the people are using, not only because it's under active development since forever, and the support is great because you can just ask people for features and months later you have it. It's very, very easy to use. Let's talk a little bit about Vex. Vex is in the intermediated language, as I said before, behind Anger. And the problem before with Anger was that it was using Simovex. It was like summarizing and abstracting a lot of different things from the binary, like just elevating it to Vex. And it was very expensive to do it in a normal processor. What the team has done in the last couple of years, I would say, is to move to PyVex. PyVex are the Python bindings for Vex that can be integrated in Anger, that it's already written in Python. And since then, control flow graph generation just works. It's very fast and in comparison to other tools, and it makes sense and it doesn't break that much. So we are going to solve 3 very, very easy challenges in the next videos using Anger, so that you can get a bit acquainted with it and how it works, how the API looks like. So get the VM started.